Hello there, Mr. Sutton here with the Pre-Cal Honors 511 homework solutions on double angle formulas. For number 1, we're trying to simplify this expression. Now this pattern of 2 sine of something cosine of something is really just sine of a double angle, sine of 2 times the something. So here we can rewrite this as sine of 2 times 35, which is just sine of 70 degrees. For this problem, we've got cosine squared of something minus sine squared of the same something. Whenever we see this cosine squared minus sine squared pattern, we hopefully remember that that is the identity for cosine of 2 times something. So this expression can be rewritten as just simply cosine of 2 times whatever's inside here, 2 times pi over 12. 2 times pi over 12 is pi over 6. And this actually is something that we can simplify a little further. Pi over 6, that's really 30 degrees. So cosine of 30 degrees, we hopefully remember, is radical 3 over 2. For number 3, this pattern of 1 minus 2 sine squared of something is really just cosine of a double angle. So we can turn this into cosine of 2 times x over 2, which is just cosine of x. For number 4, this pattern of 2 cosines squared of an angle minus 1 is really just one of your cosine double angle formulas. So we can rewrite this as just cosine of 2 times 10, or cosine of 20 degrees. On number 5, this pattern of 2 tan of an angle over 1 minus tan squared of the angle, this is tan of a double angle. So this is just going to be tan of 2 times 5x, which is tan of 10x. On number 6, cosine squared minus sine squared, we hopefully recognize that as the cosine double angle formula, one of them anyway. So this is really just cosine of 2 times 33, which is cosine of 66. For number 7, the pattern 2 sine cosine of the same angle is really cosine of a double, or rather sine of a double angle. So this is going to be sine of 2 times 3x, which is sine of 6x. On number 8, 1 minus 2 sine squared is really cosine of 2 times an angle. So this is going to be cosine of 2 times 63, or cosine of 126 degrees. For this problem, we've got 2 times the sine of something times the cosine of the same something. Whenever we see 2 sine x cosine of x, that is equivalent to sine of 2 times whatever is inside there. So this can be rewritten as sine of 2 times 62 degrees, which is sine of 124 degrees. On this problem, we've got 2 tan of something over 1 minus tan squared of the same something. So that means that we can convert this to tan of 2 times the something. That's our double angle formula for tangent. So I can rewrite this as tan of 2 times 45, or tan of 90 degrees. And we can try to simplify this a little further. So tan of 90, that is the slope of the angle 90 degrees. That's a perfectly vertical slope, so that actually ends up being undefined.